The biggest upgrade of the new car is the adoption of the 5th-generation DM technology. Secondly, the chassis and appearance design have also been greatly improved. The official price range is 179,800 to 207,800 yuan. In terms of appearance, it continues the current Longyan style. Some models are equipped with blackened sports kits, especially reflected in the blackened chrome trim strips in the middle of the front face, the lower air intake and heat dissipation holes, and the Tang logo passes through the decorative strips. The shape of the headlights on both sides is still very sharp, and the two sides of the front frame are equipped with guide groove designs. The suspended roof and fastback shape continue on the side. The length, width and height of the new car are 4870/1950/1725 mm respectively, and the wheelbase is 2,820 mm. There are sports-shaped wheels to enhance the overall sporty visual effect. The rear continues the transitional taillight cluster design, with traditional Chinese knot elements integrated on both sides of the lamp cluster, making it extremely recognizable. In addition, both sides of the rear surround are equipped with deflection groove shapes, forming a design effect that reflects the front and rear surrounds. The entire body logos on the rear are painted black, while a blackout kit. In terms of interior, the overall style of the new car is simple and luxurious, equipped with a 12.3-inch full LCD display and a 15.6-inch adaptive rotary central control display. The steering wheel adopts a double-spoke flat-bottom design, contributing to the sporty atmosphere inside the car. The car is equipped with D-Link 100, a high-end version of the intelligent cockpit, and the user interface has also been optimized and upgraded, making it more visually impressive and easier to control. In terms of configuration, the new car retains the 50W wireless fast charging feature for mobile phones, which increases the charging speed of mobile phones, and adds an air outlet to the wireless charging pad to prevent the mobile phone from heating during fast charging. In addition, a new fragrance system has been added, and the front seats support ventilation and heating, as well as 10-point massage, which has further increased comfort. In terms of intelligent driving assistance, the new car maintains the Intelligent Driving Assistance System D-Pilot, which supports ACC adaptive cruise control, forward collision warning, AEB automatic emergency braking, lane departure assistant, blind spot monitoring, door opening warning system and other functions. The 2025 Tang DMI retains the 2+3+2. Family users can fold the 1 to 5 seats in the second and third rows as needed, and freely allocate passenger and luggage space. In terms of engine, it uses the 5th-generation DM technology, a new 1.5T plus EHACE 200 golden power combination with 115 kilowatts, 200 kilowatts and 310 kilowatts converted comprehensive system power and a top speed of 200 kilometers per hour. It reaches 100 kilometers per hour in 7.5 seconds. The most important point about fuel consumption is that the new car's feed fuel consumption is 4.95 L/100 km, which is really 4 times lower fuel consumption for medium and large SUVs. It also supports 6 kilowatts VTOL external discharge function. In terms of chassis, the new car comes with FSD variable damping suspension system and aluminum alloy multi-link suspension as standard, and high-end models are equipped with Union C intelligent damping body control system.